In this tutorial I will show you how to hide like and share counts on Instagram. Instagram lets you control whether people can see the number of likes and shares on your posts. If you'd prefer to keep that private, you can easily hide these counts in your settings. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section called What You See and select Like and Share Counts. Here, you'll find a toggle that lets you hide or show these numbers. Switch the toggle on if you want to hide like and share counts. Switch it off if you'd rather keep them visible. That's all it takes. With just a quick adjustment, you can manage the visibility of likes and shares on your Instagram posts.